there's a line in the film that says, nangako tayo na for better or for worse, but nag-give up ka during our worst. So that carries a weight in relationship. So in your own opinion, what does it truly mean to love someone for better or for worse?
Guys, I swear after this, true or false na. Hindi na talaga. Napaka-importante nung sinumpaan ng mag-asawa eh. Pagka may sinumpaan kayong pangako sa isa't isa, kailangan yung mapanindigan yun. Importante na magawa niyo yun, magkasama kayong dalawa. Hindi natatapos yung mga problema kasi palagi namang magkakaroon ng problema. Ang importante kung paano kayo magiging matibay at paano nyo masasolve ng problema nang buo pa rin kayo.
Kaya napaka-importante po to know everything about your wife para po talagang alam mo kung paano siya nag-react kapag malungkot kayo, pag nasa loob mo kayo, pag masaya. Kaya kabisado mo siya, alam mo ang lahat tungkol sa kanya para alam mo yun, mas magsisilbihan mo siya, makakausap at mas maiintindihan, di ba? Yun basically.
Same, but I truly believe love is a choice. Love is really a choice. You choose to love that person every day. You choose, ay shoot, nag-aaway tayo ngayon, ay galit ako sa'yo, pero I still choose you. There could be other people around, you're like, no, I still choose you. It's making that choice every day. Kahit anong nangyayari sa buhay nyo, I still choose you. It's the main thing.
There you go, short and sweet. Love that. Thank you. We have a question on that side, I believe.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm John Bueno from Kumakaw.com. First of all, congratulations. I'm really excited for this movie. Even ng mga parang tinitease nyo pa lang siya over TikTok and all other social channels. But siguro I'd like to ask all the actors, no? But a different question for you two, Jen and Dennis. I'd like you to maybe tell us a little bit about your first love. No? Kindly tell us who your first love was, kung pwede, and can you tell us why did you fall in love with them?
Diyan baka pag-uwi namin, mag-away kami.
And then sa inyo naman, Jen and Dennis, why did you fall in love with Jen? What was it?
Okay.
And then, ganun po. Siguro kay Sam muna.
My first love?
Yes. And
oh wow.
Tell us why.
My first girlfriend actually was when I was about 12 or 13. Yes, but I wouldn't say she's my first love. I had a huge crush on her for how many years? Her name was Laurel Miller. Remember, blonde hair, blue eyes.
Shout out to her.
But my first love, I would say, was my high school girlfriend. 4 years kami. Lindsay Perry, ang name niya. She has.
Talking Facebook na daw
yeah, okay. I shared, yes. But we were 4 years on and off. It was high school. And why?
Yeah.
I don't know. We just became. For me, the foundation of friendship is really important to me. If you have that strong foundation of friendship, you really know the person. And then everything falls after that day. And we had a really good foundation of friendship at that time. Yeah. And obviously physical attraction. I mean that's a given. But we just really got along. We had a lot of similar likes, and kahit lagi kami magkasama, we ng ano?
LZHAY.
May asawa na siya, so isa-search niyo yung Lindsay Perry, hindi ano eh. May asawa na siya. But yeah, we just had a lot of similar likes, and we just, kahit lagi kami magkasama, we just enjoyed our time together. Yeah, I mean it was 4 years. Yeah, but that was pretty much it. I mean we were so young at the same time. I mean we got together when I was 17. 17 yata, so sobrang bata kami.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'd like, siguro si Nana Joanne.
So kwento muna sa amin. Wala raw.
First
Ako kasi, ano yung ate niya?
To be honest po,
NBSP po. Kaya bukas, ayan. Sino po kaya makakadate bukas sa Valentine's? Taas ang katsa. Ayun po, siguro po, love po, crush lang po nung high school, elementary, gano'n.
Wala kami ma-stalk para sa'yo?
Do you remember who that
Kumusta na siya
person is?
ngayon? Awayin namin if you want. Ganun. Wala talaga. Good job. Very safe ang answer. Very celebrity ang answer. Eh. Alright, we do have another question. I think it's time for the last one actually. Right here behind me.
Hello po. From Sinigang.ph. My question is for hindi pa nasagot.
Oh, sorry. My bad. I'm so rude. Last gig ko na to with you guys. Sorry po. Alright, then with the rest of the cast, of course.
Pag-uusapan pa ba yun? Siyempre, nung high school ako. Meron ako yung first boyfriend ko na official. And siguro we lasted for mga 2 years. Nagustuhan ko sa kanya, matalino siya, malinis, at saka yung talagang lalaki, manly. Yun. Ayoko nang sabihin kasi baka hanapin nyo sa Facebook.
Yeah, well, yung sa akin, hindi ko rin sure kung pwede ko i-mention yung name niya kasi medyo private person po siya. Pero it was way back 2014 and it was the kind of love that was, a little bit obsessive, no? Yung medyo selfish kind of love na too much. Yung lagi mong inuuna yung sarili mo bago yung taong mahal mo. Siyempre, that matures through time and yeah, yun.
Ay, Alex, akala mo? Alex, no, we're not done with you. And sige, before we get to Alex, si Direk naman, baka you can also kwento.
Hello, Direk! Hello, Direk.
Kung hindi po, Direk, okay lang rin kasi ikaw, you pay the bills.
Okay, rule, we listen, we don't judge.
Slay! Let's do that.
Okay. I fell in love with a girl. And then, I discovered, meron kasing middle person who is a lesbian. And then, naging sila nung lesbian. That's the point na, hindi talaga ako pambabae. So, that was guys.
Quite a twist, ha?
Please? Yes. So,
that was a twist in the kwento. I thought so differently. Thank you. Thank you for the clarification.
Yeah. So.
Yes, sige. The next question is, sir, I'm sorry, but my floor director is telling me otherwise. I'm just doing my job daw. And guys, sue me. I'm just doing my job. Alright, sige, ito na lang. Only if they want to splook for you guys. Would you want to splook? Would you want to share the kwento? Why they fell in love daw? Or how rather? Ano why they fell in love? Ba't ako na-in-love sa kanya? The how pala daw. So naglalakad kayo, it was in the rain, Intramuros Bridge or something. Don't know. I'm making things up here.
Siguro yung pagpili ng isang tao na pakikisamahan mo, para sa akin, instinctive yan Mararamdaman mo talaga kung sino yung kasundo mo, hindi ko alam kung paano, pero pag nakikita mo siya, pag nakakatabi mo siya, pag nakakausap mo, mararamdaman mo na yun talaga yung tao na gusto mong pakisamahan ng matagal. So, ganun yung naramdaman ko kay Jen. Hindi agad-agad, pero slowly yung realization, pero sa tingin ko, yun yung pinaka-importante, yung ma-realize mo na ito talaga yung tao na yun.
I like how Jen is just, yeah. And with that, I wrap. You know what? If you tell me to wrap up, I'm so good with that.
Hello, kinikilig lang ako.
Ayun pala yun! Guys, see that? Acting. Akala ko talaga kanina, you know what? Stoic lang ako dito. Deep down pala kinikilig si ate mo. Okay. Laban, ma'am. And with that, I actually really can give you one last question. So let's hear it out.
I'm Chad from Sinigang.ph. My question is for Direk Riel. I think this is a remake or adaptation po of an Argentinian film, Un Novio para Mi Mujer. So I wanna ask po yung
mga niretain or binago from that film? And maybe if the cast also has seen the adaptation, yung original po.
Yung Un Novio para Mi Mujer, hindi namin napanood. Yung napanood namin was the Korean version, which I think is much closer to our sensibilities as Filipinos. Definitely, yung main premise ng movie na what if may isang husband na punong-puno na doon sa asawa niya at gusto niyang makipaghiwalay pero hindi niya kaya. Mas yun lang yung focus nung story na ginawa natin sa Philippines. Kasi yung original, it's all about divorce. Siyempre, iba yung issue ng divorce. Wala naman tayo nun. It's, hanggang ngayon naman pinag-uusapan pa rin yan. But I think at the deep side of the story is really about commitment. So we focus on that in making the story. Thank you so much kay Miss Rona ko, our brilliant writer. Siya rin yung original writer ng Hello Love Again, si Miss Rona ko. Hello Love, goodbye, sorry. Goodbye, yes. Yeah. But we made sure that it's grounded at malapit talaga siya sa sensibilidad ng mga Pilipino, yung pinagdadaanan natin. Yung trailer, actually, ano lang yan, as in tip of the iceberg siya. You will really laugh at the movie because sobrang ridiculous ng mga scenarios, pero sa totoo lang pwede pala siyang mangyari sa totoong buhay. And yun din naman yung pinanggagalingan naming lahat when we did it. Wala kang mapapanood na slapstick because it's never about that kind of comedy. Nakakatawa siya dahil nakakatawa yung mga sitwasyon. So, Pilipino-Pilipino, kwento ng mga Pilipino at ng mga nagmamahal ng mga Pilipino. At kung gaano ka-importante ang commitment at ang kasal para sa ating kultura. That is the main focus of everything about my wife.
I love that. How